Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Math with me. Today in this video I am going to tell the tricks to memorize the derivative formulas. To understand these tricks, please watch the video completely. So before starting this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button given below to get the latest updates of my video. So let's start the video. So here's the first formula, very easy and basic formula. Here k is constant, derivative of constant is 0. For example, derivative of 5 is 0, derivative of 10 is 0, and derivative of 100, derivative of 1000, derivative of 10,000 also 0. Any number, okay, is 0. Very simple formula, right? I think you don't need any trick for this. Now without late, let's move to the second formula. Very interesting one. D by dx of e power x is e power x. To remember this, let me tell you a short story, okay? Once e power x friend came to him and asked, "Hey e power x, whom do you like more?" Then e power x replied, "Are you joking? I like myself more than everything." So here e power x is selfish. So derivative of e power x is e power x itself. Remember, derivative of e power x is e power x itself. Okay. Now let's move to the third formula. Derivative of a power x is a power x log a base e. Here you need to memorize. Simply remember derivative of a power x, start with a power x only. Along with this, you write log a base e. Okay. Let's revise these three formulas, okay, quickly. Derivative of k is 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Whereas derivative of e power x is e power x. Derivative of a power x is a power x log a base e. Then let's move to the fourth formula. Derivative of x power n is nx n minus 1. First you write the power, beside that you write the base, to that base you write n minus 1. That's it. So simple, right? Now fifth one. Derivative of log x is 1 over x. See, there is no trick for this, but I'll tell you the method to remember this. Like whenever you see log x, just you have to remember 1 over x. Log x is 1 over x. Okay, repeat this in your mind, then you never forget the formula. Okay, let's move to the sixth one. Sixth question. Formula. Derivative of sin x is cos x. S opposite is c. Remember this. S equal to c. Whenever s comes, you just put c. That is cos x. And next, seventh formula. Derivative of cos x is, whenever c comes, you put minus s. That is minus sin x. Cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Next. Now to remember 8, 9, 10 and 11 formulas, you need to remember these two. That is secant x, tan x and minus cosecant x, cot x. Okay, let's see why. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. See here, whenever derivative of tan x come, see these two methods. When tan x come, you forgot this and multiply these two. Secant x into secant x is secant square x. That's it. Now see the 9 formulae. Derivative of cot x, leave this and multiply these two. Cosecant into cosecant minus cosecant square x, right? Next, see 10th one, derivative of secant x. Leave this, except this you write this. Secant x, tan x. Now you see the 11th one, derivative of cosecant x is, leave cosecant x, write remaining one, minus cosecant x, cot x, minus cosecant x and cot x. Now let's revise these 11 formulas quickly. Okay, derivative of constant is 0, derivative of e power x is e power x, derivative of a power x is a power x log a base e, derivative of x power n is nx n minus 1, derivative of log x is 1 over x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x is secant square x, derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x, derivative of secant x is secant x tan x, derivative of cosecant x is minus cosecant x. Now here 12th formula is derivative of 1 over x is minus 1 by x square. You just write same 1 by x, then put negative sign and square to the x. That's it, right? And derivative of root x. Now how to remember this? Think. Let's write root x as 1 over root x first, then multiply 2 to the denominator. That's it. Simple, right? Then let's move to the 14th formula, derivative of uv. Now first take u as it is and then differentiate v. Further write it as v dash, then plus. Now write v as it is and differentiate u. That's it. Revise this at least 2 or 3 times, then I'm sure you don't forget forever. Let's move to the 15th one. Derivative of u by v is vu dash minus uv dash over v square. You don't have any trick, just you need to understand and memorize. Okay, first take the denominator v, then differentiate u dash, then put minus, then here you already differentiated u dash, right? So now differentiate v dash v and put u as it is, and over this just square the denominator. Okay, now from 16th to 21 you need to by heart 3 only. So if you by heart 3, automatically you will remember another 3 also. Okay, let's see how. 16th one is derivative of sine inverse x is 1 over root of 1 minus x square. See, you have to memorize this. If you memorize this, derivative of cos inverse x is easy for you. If derivative of sine inverse x is 1 over root of 1 minus x square, then cos inverse of x is just put minus to that. That's it. Only the symbol, negative symbol is difference. When cos inverse comes, just put minus. When sine inverse comes, write as it is. That's it. Let's move to the 18th formula. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 over 1 plus x square. Positive. Okay. And when derivative of cot inverse comes, just put minus to the derivative of tan inverse x, that is minus 1 over 1 plus x square. If you remember tan inverse x, then you automatically write cot inverse x just by putting negative symbol to that, right? Okay, the 20th formula is derivative of secant inverse x, that is 1 over x into root of x square minus 1. You need to by heart derivative of secant inverse x. If you by heart derivative of secant inverse x, then you automatically write cosecant inverse x, derivative of cosecant inverse x. That is, if you put minus negative symbol to the secant inverse x, derivative of secant inverse x, then derivative of cosecant inverse x is same, just by putting negative symbol. I hope that I made your work 50% easier. Not completely, I think 50% easier. That's all. These are 21 formulas. Very easy and very simple if you memorize and write it once daily. Before going to bed, revise it once, and when you wake up, revise it once. Per day, twice. Trust me, if you do this continuously for 1 week, surely you won't forget these formulas. Just you need to glance. That's it. So from today, don't forget to follow this. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Thank